We all spend time looking in the mirror, checking if we look tired or not, good or bad, basically how we measure up. But real self acceptance, it begins beyond the mirror. I know all of us can be critical of our appearance. Too many wrinkles, too thin, too fat, and the list goes on. When my marriage ended, I felt like I was nothing. In the mirror was a shell of a person, or that's what I thought. But I wanted to get better. I wanted to become myself again. And it began by changing the inner dialogue. And that also changed what I saw in the mirror as well. So let's talk about 5 steps truly accepting yourself. And in the end, I have included a great bonus tip. Hi, I'm Aya, life and relationship coach, helping men and women over 50 heal from heartbreak, find love, rebuild confidence, and truly thrive in love and in life. And now to the 5 steps. Number 1, practice self compassion. We all make mistakes, we all fall short sometimes, but it's not the failure that breaks us, it's the way we speak to ourselves afterward. Self esteem is tied to our successes. Self compassion stays even when you feel like you have failed. For example, when you think you have failed, your self compassion says, hey, it's okay, try again. You got this. It is your cheerleader, not your judge. Self compassion doesn't let you off the hook, but it's giving you a soft place to land. You don't have to be perfect to deserve kindness. You just have to be human. And self compassion makes space to move forward and not to get stuck. Number 2, see your value. Your value isn't something you earn by being successful or thin or youthful or approved by others. It is not a prize, it is a birthright. You are valuable simply because you exist. And when you stop chasing your worth and start recognizing it, something powerful shifts. You no longer look in the mirror asking, am I enough? You look with a deep knowing, I am enough. Number 3, celebrating your uniqueness. We spend so much of life trying to fit in, smoothing our edges, shrinking our voice, hiding our quirks. But what if the very thing you're trying to diminish are the things that make you unforgettable? Your story, your laughter, your thinking, all of your scars, that is your signature. Your uniqueness isn't something to be corrected, it's something to be celebrated. When you stop comparing and start honoring what makes you you, self acceptance becomes an act of empowerment. I didn't realize I had made myself small, diminished my uniqueness until my marriage ended. Even though it was hard, it was an opportunity to become myself again. So let your light shine as you. Number 4, embrace here and now. Self acceptance isn't found who you used to be or who you think you should become. It lives here, in this breath, in this exact moment. When we fight the present, wishing we were younger, more successful, further ahead, we create suffering. But when we meet ourselves right here as we are, something miraculous happens. We soften, we breathe, we come home. Peace begins when we stop arguing with now. And in that acceptance, life starts to feel more spacious, full of possibility, ideas, and creativity. Number 5, love yourself unconditionally. It is so easy to have conditions for your love, and we are not always even aware of them. Loving yourself isn't pretending you're perfect, it means embracing all of you with understanding, with tenderness, and with grace. True self love says, I see your fears, I see your strength, and I love you. Not because what you have done, but simply because you are you. And that is when the mirror stops being a judge. It becomes your witness to your growth. Unconditional love toward yourself is freedom. The freedom to evolve without fear, to begin again without shame, and to show up fully without needing a permission. And here's the bonus tip: I am enough practice. Marissa Peer teaches something beautifully simple. Write I am enough on your mirror, on your phone, in your journal, and say it out loud, even if it feels awkward at first, because repetition becomes belief, and belief becomes identity. And when you begin to live from I am enough, your reflection starts to agree. So, next time you look in the mirror, remember this: you are not just your reflection, you are the soul behind your eyes, the heart that keeps beating, the story still unfolding. You are so much more than what you see. You are enough. And these steps are not one off events, it's a way of life. You choosing to live this way. And when you truly embrace being enough, loving yourself, that opens opportunities to learn, to create, and fully live. And if you would like more guidance to thrive in love and in life, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Because life after 50 isn't about slowing down, it's about rising into who you were meant to be. It's about truly coming alive. Whether you're looking for love or in the relationship, I hope you have a great day. Love and light. Bye for now.